Hello guys, today I would like to talk to you how to doing a really simple sketch. So if you want to doing a sketch is divided into a 2D sketch and 3D sketch. Let's just talk about 2D sketch. So if you want to draw a 2D sketch, it must be based on a plan you created, or it could be drawing on a surface of an object. But the surface must be a flat surface. For example, if I choose the top line, I would like to draw in some sketch on the top line. Let's just hit it, right click and hit the shell. So you could, on the scenario, you could easily to see this top line. At the moment, if I hit it, the sketch, you could just directly traverse the sketch. Let's just create a very simple sketch by hitting the corner rectangles. You could also use it to capture the point and drag to somewhere you want. Click it. So it's very easy to drawing a rectangle, right? And at that moment, if you hit it, it's gonna pop up to ask you this code change to the sketch. If I just hit it, this code change and exit, you can see nothing be drawing on this top line, right? Let's just try again. So I hit the sketch, needs to choose the top line and drag it like rectangle. At this time, if it didn't hit this, if I hit this and hit this one, you can exit the sketch, but you already have the sketch on the top line. So notice it's different if you hit the cross icon and another icon beside of the cross icon. It's different result. One is you discard the sketch. Another one is you just keep the sketch, right? And next, also on this top line, let's do another sketch by drawing another rectangles, right? At that moment, I'm not necessary to be exit the sketch, but I can directly go into a feature tab as trying to hit the Extruded Boss, and you could directly extrude your sketch to an object there, right? Let's just hit it, okay, right? This time, I want to draw in a sketch on the surface object, can I? So, I'm going to hit the sketch. For example, I want to just have a sketch on this surface. I can directly go into this surface. Next, if I click the corner rectangles and trying to draw, you could see I can just directly draw a sketch on this surface, but is not limited on this surface area. It seems like you're drawing on a plane that overlapping with where the surface it is, right? Okay, you could see I can very easy to draw a sketch on that plane with the same location as the surface, right? Okay, let's just exit. But, for example, I have a fillet in this edge. Let's just hit it. Let's say if I want to draw some sketch on this surface, can I? So let's try it. So if I go into sketch and you could see I can't directly select the surface. That means I can't draw a sketch on this kind of curvature surface. This time I'm drawing a circular. So you could see it's very easily draw this shape, right? Okay, and then I can directly go into extrude, and you could uncheck this merge result, and then you could got two shapes here. So in here it shows solid body. You could got your original object as well as the columns, right? And if you double click, right click and go into edit feature, this time I'm keeping this check mark. Okay, let's hit it okay, and then you could see in here is only left one result, one body. So it's combined these two objects together by hit the merge result check mark, right? Okay, guys, today I just finished to tell you how to create a sample sketch. Let's see you in next class. Bye.